Alright, welcome back, Kadena fam. I gotta say that you guys are freaking loud. I mean, I just made one video and the engagement that I see from Kadena really outpaces all the other projects that I've covered. So good on you. I really like seeing projects that had so much enthusiasm and optimism that they keep coming back to the video. So I'm making another video for you guys, and this video really is about, should I buy Kadena KDA crypto right now? You know, Kadena crypto. Is this really the bottom for the Kadena crypto? If you're looking to get in and you're looking for the right prices to get in, then this video is really for you, because we are going to get right into that. But before we get into that, can you please help our video, help our channel grow by smashing that like and subscribe button, because it really helps push this video out to more people who should be more aware of Kadena. And you can do that just by smashing or demolishing that like and subscribe button. But anyways, let's just jump right into it and get into the sauce for today. Alright guys, so the reason why you clicked on this video is you're wondering, should I buy Kadena crypto right now? I think that's the question that's on everybody's mind. Other than the majority, they're asking, should I sell right now? Because the entire market has been tanking. And the quick answer to that is no, you should not buy Kadena right now. And if that's all you're looking for, that's the answer you're looking for, then you can go click off on this video. But if you want to know the reasons why, then you can continue watching, because I'm gonna get deep into the reasons why in this video. So it's gonna be educational. So what I want to get into is, what is Kadena crypto up against right now? And they're really up against what the rest of the market is up against right now, really. And here's where the rubber meets the road, because the KDA team really needs to put in their marketing efforts. I mean, the community, you guys that are watching the video, you guys make a lot of noise. I feel like you guys make more noise than when the world learned that Amber Heard pooped on Johnny Depp's bed. But that's also another story. Like, I like the fact that Kadena says that they are Bitcoin on steroids, but that is really not marketed well. And if Kadena is new to you and you really want to know what it's about, then I made another video here that explains what Kadena is all about. So you can go check that out after watching this video. I mean, Kadena is a layer 1 blockchain, and they are competing against blockchains like Near, Phantom, Avalanche, Solana, and even Ethereum. And that is where most of the risk lies, because a project is only as good as the community that supports it. And those other blockchains, I really feel like they have a bigger community than Kadena right now. I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but that's just fact. And a lot of the problem is really a marketing problem, which is what YouTubers are for, right? I mean, what good is a crypto YouTuber other than for shilling projects to make that YouTube ad revenue? Alright guys, so what you're looking at here is the DXY, which is the US dollar currency index, and basically it is how strong is the US dollar against all the other major global currencies like the yen, the euro, the Canadian dollar, and etc, right? So right now the US dollar is really strong, and it's really been the strongest it's been since, let's say, around 2016, 2017. And the dollar really is strong when Democrats are in office, and when Republicans are in office, it's really not that strong, because what Republicans want to do is they want to sell the dollars to other nations and have a weak dollar. But Democrats, they really like a strong dollar. And if you want to learn one thing in this video, is that when we have a really strong dollar, that is when assets like crypto and stocks, they tumble, which is why we're seeing red across the board in crypto right now. And what most people don't know is that this is literally all just manipulated by the Fed and the government. So really, all of these are macro trends that are happening that affects the price of your assets that you're holding. And a lot of people don't know this, which is why I'm making this video. So now you know this, you know to take advantage when the dollar is strong. Oh, there are a lot of buying opportunities. But the real question is this still the best price to buy at? So the second thing we want to take a look at is the expectation that the Fed will raise rates in the week ahead. So today is June 12th, and next week the Fed is going to have a meeting, which is basically on the 14th, 15th, on whether to raise rates. They will raise rates, and people are expecting that the Fed will raise rates by half a point. But you know, Friday's very hot consumer inflation report basically sparked that they might raise it even higher. And when they do, we will see crypto and and stocks fall even more. And you can really see here the chart of how they raised rates in the past couple months. So what I expect is that everybody is holding on right now, right? I feel like a half basis point is already priced into the price, but if they do something like a 0.75, yeah, that's gonna make things tumble. So everybody is holding on to their gunpowder right now to see if they can get things at a bigger discount. All right, guys, so we are taking a look at the charts because I told you guys that you should not buy Kadena now. If you guys asked me the question, should I buy Kadena now? And with that answer, you would say again, so when should I buy Kadena? So that's what we're gonna get through in this section of the video. So we really have support here at, I would say, $1, because that is where this candle found the top, and we have this whole gigantic wick. I really don't know where that came from. So this is on KuCoin. So I'm putting $1 here for the support, and we can see if we go down, the higher the time frame, the stronger it is. So for example, here we have a green line, support and resistance, right? That was the last level that is now invalidated. I was saying that it might bounce from this level, which it did, right? On this day on May 30th, it bounced. The week of May 30th, it did bounce and it closed up top. But the week after that, the first week of June, it just closed below that. So now it's invalid. And we can take a look here that this here is really the last bastion of support. Well, I wouldn't call it the last bastion. We still have some support lines. But if we go to the lower time frame, let's go to a day, then you can see that $1 makes the most sense because it acted as the open here. So I'm expecting that if price falls, it'll fall all the way down here. If it breaks below that, then we have some daily supports because price consolidated here. That means that they found some action here. There's some volume here. So after $1, it would be 90 cents. And after 90 cents, it would be 65 cents. So not sure where it would go, but the best plan of action to me is just, if you really want to, then this is not financial advice, is to place limit orders. You know, if you had $1,000 and you really believe in Kadena, then split it in threes. Like buy 333 at $1, 333 and 90 cents, 333 and 66 cents. So that means that that's dollar cost averaging, because if it doesn't make it to 65 cents, then at least you got it at $1 and 90 cents if you set those limit orders and it fell below 90 cents, right? And then it clawed its way back up. So those are your price targets. So the not financial advice aside, because I know that some of you people would come back in and be like, oh, Donald told me to buy at this price. No, I didn't. I said it's not financial advice. But aside from all that, there is some good news. KDSwap was released, and they did have some trouble when they were released, right? The launch was not particularly smooth because there were some discrepancies between visitors from different geographical locations, and there were also bugs like the charts not showing the correct price for Kadena and the platform's own token and etc. So it wasn't a perfect launch. And if you want to learn more about what KDSwap is, then I'll leave the link below in the pinned comment. But here's what I liked about them. I like the fact that KDSwap was in touch with their community, in the fact that when they saw the bugs come in at launch, they addressed them right away, right? That's great for the community. That's great to see that, yeah, the platform is actually addressing the issue. Unlike Terra Luna and UST, where the founders, Do Kwon and the team actually went and buzzed off for a couple days while everybody was basically losing their life savings. And you know, as an engineer, you gotta know that these things are expected. Rarely does the initial launch always goes as expected. You know, there always are gonna be problems, regardless of how many fallback plans you have. But the props really goes to the team who actually stands up and fixes the problem that are coming in during the initial release. So I really do think that the KDA project is solid. If you're the type of person that right now, in the face of a completely bloody market, you're thinking that KDA is crap, it's a scam, it's never gonna work because the price is dropping, then I would say you should totally get out of crypto because you're not made for this. And you could go ahead and smash that dislike button because I hurt your feelings, and you could say something negative in the comments and I'll still be happy about that because it's helping the YouTube algorithm. So please do. But anyways, for all those people that are in this game and are saying a big red sign as a discount, as an opportunity, then you guys are of the right mindset, because know that price is manipulated. And a good sign is really to look at the price trend, the price direction of Bitcoin. Basically, a rising tide lifts all ships, right? and Bitcoin is that tide, because right now Bitcoin is falling, which means that KDA and all other altcoins will also fall as well. When Bitcoin comes back and rises from the dead again, then we should see a huge pump in Kadena and the rest of the crypto market. But other than that, that's all I have for today. If you've enjoyed this video, if you like these updates of Kadena in the markets and whether you should buy at this price, then let me know in the comments below, because that really helps direct me on what kind of videos I should make. Other than that, please be sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, check out these other videos on cryptocurrencies and passive income, and remember guys, continue working, continue building, continue inspiring. See you next time.